Welcome to the workout. This is another one of those twisted Tabathas, a little twisted Tabatha challenge. This is the isometric bird dog challenge. So, for the 20 seconds, stay in isometric bird dog, come down, rest in plank for 10, isometric bird dog for 20 seconds on the other side. Go back and forth for the duration of the Tabatha. Scaling option is to, instead of resting in plank, rest completely. Alright? Alright, are you ready? Of course you're ready. Let's do this. 20 seconds, isometric Tabatha. Suck in the belly button, keep a tight core, neutral spine, active glutes, active quads, not to forget. Don't slouch, don't hang in your lower back. So focus on tightening up the core. Yes, let's get ready, set, and go. So focus on the active quad on the leg that's supporting you, active chest, arm, wing, on the hand that's supporting you, active glute on the lifted leg, and hold it a little bit longer, and rest in plank. In the plank, focus on nice tight plank posture, active glutes, active quads, tight core, don't slouch. Ready for the next side? And go. Again, active quad, active glute, neutral spine, tight core, suck in the belly button, and hold it. And rest in plank. Ready? Back to the first one again, and go. Hold that posture. Try to stay level, arm horizontal, leg horizontal, spine horizontal, and hold it. Keep the balance. And rest in plank. Ready for the other side again. Have legs with a nice bit of distance between your feet so you have good support, a good base. Go. Try to stay horizontal. And rest in plank. Halfway. Fun little challenge. Back to number one. Try to stay horizontal. And rest in plank. Well done. 3 more rounds. Ready, set, and go. Breathe. Stay steady. Tight glutes, tight quads. And rest in plank. 1 more of each side, and we'll be done. Get ready, and go. Hold it, a few more seconds. Rest in plank. Only 1 more remaining. Active shoulder blades, active scapula, lats. Ready, go. Last one. And then followed by a 10-second plank. Let's do this. Focus. Ten seconds of plank. This is the easy part. Home stretch, come on. And done. That's it, well done. Another twisted Tabatha in the books. See you for the next workout.